How to set up email rules in Microsoft Outlook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Outlook, then head over to File in the top left, and then go to Settings. Now go to Email in the left hand side and tap on Rules. Now tap on Add New Rule and name your rules. So I keep receiving conference mail, so I'll put in conference mail and then add a condition. So I'll say marked with importance, and then you can set it as high, normal, low. I'll set it as high. Then you can add another action. So I'll put in move to and then select a folder. I'll put in important. And then you can tick on stop processing more rules if you don't want any more rules. And then you can tap on run rule now if you want it to run now itself, and then hit save. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.